Hi guys, how are you doing? Today's on Monday and I want to go and get my hair done because my birthday is on the way. Yo, I can't wait. So I want to go to the salon to get my hair done, like to get those lines, the wig in. Then later maybe I'll go to town and install the wig. Yeah, so come with me to the salon. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're okay. Today's on Wednesday. I'm getting ready, like I'm packing my suitcase because I'm traveling on Saturday. Yeah, I'm traveling on Saturday. It's like my birthday trip, which was in like 2 weeks ago. It was date 2, but I didn't have time like to travel between your date 2 paka Saturday. So this is like the perfect weekend to travel because on Monday talk on holiday. There's no job, there's no working. Kuna kazi on Monday, so yeah, I need to get my hair done. This style of braids. Yeah, lines then braids. That one. I wanted to try that style in our cost. But I don't know. I've not made up my mind, so I think I will later in the day, maybe kesho. Because I'm traveling on Saturday. So yeah. So let me pack my suitcase and I'll show you when I'm done. Looks cute. So what is it? Body is tea. Can't wait to rock this. My friend got me this on the birthday last year, so. Swimming costumes, by the way. I hope I get to take photos na zote cause I always pack like all my costumes. Siachangi tamoja na mbanga zote, but then I end up not even taking a photo with one. Like yo, my lazy ass. I don't know if I should clean this skirt. This is like a dress. You can wear it kama a dress or kama a skirt. So I don't know, I think I'll just. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're okay. Today's on Friday and I'm traveling tomorrow on Saturday, so I want to go to town and get my nails done. This is how they look like. It's been like 4 weeks, I think, since I got to this, so it's time to get a new set. So yeah, I just want to show you like quick fit check. I'm wearing this ragged mommy jeans with this t-shirt of mine. This t-shirt is so cute, by the way. especially when you just like want to go and run errands. This is the best with this tote bag. Yeah, thank you guys with me to town. Yeah, so yeah, bye. Hey guys, so it started raining. We've cut off from a boy nation. So I had to come up a castle. I mean, let me see if I can eat something. Maybe to order something. Maybe chipo, chai, some look at the skin. Y'all. Skin is skinny. Thank you. Hi guys, we are on our way to the airport. We decided to use expressway because it's actually late. So yeah. Tada!
So thanks again on the visit of your mobile connection.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning from paradise. So today's on Sunday, day 1 in Malindi, in Watamu, sorry. And I just got ready. I'm from having breakfast. I forgot to record your party breakfast, sorry. We content creation in Google, so the food was like a 10 over 10. Yeah, so I'm just wearing this cute outfit because I want to go to the beach. I'll take cute photos and maybe shoot content, then later go to the pool. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys. Let me show you around. This is how the bridge looks like. It's a beach front. This is how it looks like. Going to the island over there. Wow, look at this cute starfish. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, so cute. Let me hold it for my people. This is a starfish. Cindy, Shika. We are going to the island. To the island. To see what happened? Hey guys, how are you doing? Oh my god, I keep forgetting to record content. Like, yo, I don't know why. Maybe in a content creation, like today we were going for lunch. Napata tushakula. I even forgot to record your process, like when I was serving my food and everything. But this is my outfit for the evening. We're going to Leech House to watch the sunsets. Yeah, so yeah, I'll take you guys there, so get ready. Hey guys, how are you doing? We came back from beach house. I'm going to take dinner, so I think I'll show you guys, so come with me. Hello. No. Boa. Hello. I'm fine. So this is where the starters are. This is the main dish here. I'm gonna let go on this phone to record. We finished eating and it is time for entertainment. So we're here having fun and also enjoying the night. Yeah. Record like the whole process, like having breakfast and everything, but I'll just be there. Give me time, I'll be there. Yeah, so it's photo shoot time and I'm going to the beach. I'm wearing this cute bikini top and these shorts because I want to go and take photos for Instagram. Yeah, come with me. Let me show you around also because this place looks so cute. Hi guys, we're checking out. It's on Monday. Whew. Yes guys, I really enjoyed the stay here at the Hotel. And now it's time to say bye bye till next time guys. I'm so sorry by the way, I don't know why nimekuwa nikisahau kurecord hizo ma content yote, like at ya kwenda dinner and packing our suitcase because we're about to check out. I didn't record even one part, but it's okay, I'll get there. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and see you soon.